Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to record the song video if that's the option you chose. We're going to start with Stand By Me and we'll worry about the rest later. By now you've seen a whole bunch of videos of people singing online by themselves, and sometimes they use different apps and programs to combine their voices with other people's. If you watched the Disney Family Sing-Along, you saw people singing individually, you saw people edited together to sing in groups, and sometimes those groups were bigger and bigger and bigger. The key point is everyone has to be wearing headphones. Take a closer look at these guys. You can see that they are wearing AirPods. The reason for that is that headphones equal a steady beat and no headphones equal a mess. They can't stay together. Music requires everyone to stick together all the time. Everyone has to be on the exact same beat at the exact same time. It's really hard to do when we're not together. When we're live in a group, it happens almost automatically, and it's pretty amazing. Number one is to listen to the music on a device with your headphones and to record yourself on another device. Here I'm using my laptop. You do not need coffee for this. So when you start the device with the music, inside your earbuds, you're going to hear the song playing. But when you put the headphones on, Flipgrid's not going to be able to hear anything. But you will. So you can record, and it'll just be a recording of you. Like this. Oh, stand by me, stand by me. The important thing to remember after you're done is do not freak out. Your voice might not sound perfect, and that's okay. We are not in a professional studio where everyone has an entire team of audio engineers making sure everything sounds absolutely fabulous. Ours are going to sound much simpler. If you only have a Chromebook, you can use the one device way, and it works pretty much the same, except you're going to open up Flipgrid in one window, and then you're going to open up the song video in another window, and then put on your headphones and record yourself in Flipgrid. Key point here again. Make sure you wear headphones so we can keep the same beat. Help, Mrs. W, I'm still stuck. If you are still stuck after watching this video 2 times or 3 times, go ahead and ask me for help in the comments. We'll set up a Zoom time for us to talk to each other and work through it. And if you're still stuck after that, your parents can always send me an email, kwisneski@butlerboe.org. So let's go make something great together.